Today we will see the manufacturing process of a street light equipped with LED lights, which use less power and last longer than traditional street lights. Ever since ancient times, man has sought to illuminate the night, first with fire, then with gas, electric light, and now the great challenge is to make energy-saving light. The secret of success of this company dedicated to lighting lies in controlling the whole production process, from the design stage to the production of street lights, convenience for their energy efficiency and low maintenance. Street light consists of three parts: the base, the post, and the lamp. During the redesign phase, the prototype was put through a series of tests, such as testing its resistance to wind strength or a photometric simulation of the optics. However, its most important part is the lamp, in which a panel of energy-saving LEDs will be installed. The electronic board is bathed in tin, which facilitates the power supply to the LEDs. The LEDs are then inserted. The lifespan is 60,000 hours, that is to save more than 12 years of service, and they only consume 0.04 kilobytes per hour, the equivalent of an orange juicer. The mold is then placed in an oven and subjected to a maximum temperature of 250 degrees centigrade in order to weld the LEDs to the board. Finally, quality control is carried out using X-rays to check that the welding is perfect. The LED panel and a power source make up the electronic component of the lamp, which is easy to stand and to replace. The first step in the production of the base of the streetlight using the sandblasting technique is to create a negative mold. This is an ideal technique for casting large pieces like this one, which measures 2 meters. The aluminum bars are placed into the furnace for smelting. The two molds are fitted together with the male part on the inside, the space between the mold and the male part given the width of the base of the streetlight. When the molten aluminum reaches about 750 degrees centigrade, it is ready for modeling. This type of aluminum has strong anti-corrosive properties because it is alloyed with magnesium, giving it a prolonged lifespan when exposed to the elements, 60 years in outdoor spaces to be precise. The molten aluminum penetrates into the mold through the aperture and seeps down until it comes out of the exit orifice, the sign that it is ready. After 2 hours, when it passes from liquid to solid state, the streetlight is then removed from the mold and left to cool. Once the raw aids have been removed, threads are applied to the top in order to be able to screw in the post. It is then subjected to an abrasion process in which the impact of a jet of cut copper with wire at 8 bars of pressure, the equivalent of a waterfall 80 meters in weight, will give it a granulated texture which makes it difficult to stick posters and adhesive stickers to the streetlight. Panels are welded onto the inside of the base in order to insert the streetlight's fuse box and earth wire, and the fuse box access panel is installed. A threaded bit is fed by means of a piston to the post of the streetlight, and this is introduced into the base of the streetlight and fixed with the screws, thus joining the two parts. Finally, the streetlight is ready to be placed in the street, where the lamp element will be attached and where it will be wired into the urban electricity grid, allowing the city to continue to shine, even at night.